Hey there, good day, guys. It's been a while, it's been really, really long, and I'm sorry I've not uploaded for a while. For those of you who are following me back to back, who messaged me on Twitter or on Telegram asking me why I haven't uploaded any video. Well, I'm back now, and I'm back with good news, with a lot of good strategies you could use to navigate this market and also get funded like me. So within the past month, there've been highs and lows. There've been everything that went right and everything that went wrong. But as we go through this journey together, I think I might be telling you guys what happened. But today I just want to resume with a very simple source, a bread and butter strategy. Now, all I do is I wait for the New York session, right? I don't trade London, not Asia, just New York session on indices, since they are most US based kind of instruments, right? So what I'm waiting for is a sweep of a low. So right, I have two high two options here: a sweep of a high or a sweep of a low. So we have this low, and we have this high. You can see that. So I'm waiting for a sweep on either of them and a break on either of them. So this is 9:30 now. What I'll wait for is a sweep. You can see we sweep here, and we break here. So this is our sweep. That's our sweep, and this is our break of structure, right? I think by now you should know what a liquidity sweep is and a break of structure is. So we sweep here without closing below it, and we break here closing below it. This is a sweep and this is a read. And we have what we are looking for: entries. How do you enter this kind of trades? We have fair value gaps. Now you have two questions. Now we have two fair value gaps. Which one will price react to? Mostly I'll go for this one, right? Because of the impulsive move we have during this break of structure, during the sweep and the break. There is a lot of volatility, and you're not waiting for price to retrace this deep. If this break of structure was kind of a bit choppy, like a bit choppy, then I'll wait for this fair value gap. But since we're not choppy, I'll use this upper fair value gap, and I'll just target 3 risk to reward ratio, right? I'm not waiting for 10R. I'm not waiting for 70R. I'm just looking for 3 risk to ratio. Like I said, it's a mechanical strategy. You use this every day, you get funded. You're just looking for one simple thing on all the indices, right? So you can see we trigger there, and you let price do the rest. So we hit our risk to reward, our reward for the day. So you're just waiting for this particular thing on all the indices, from NAS 100, from US 30, from US 500, from US 2000. There are a lot of indices out there that are US based. I'm looking for this particular strategy because, don't get me wrong, it's not going to happen on only NAS 100 every day, or only US 500 every day. You can also see it on US 30 and other indices. So all you're doing is looking for this particular strategy every single day. It's mechanical, it's simple, it's straightforward, no complications. But there are also some things that you have to understand, like your bias, your drawn liquidity, and the rest. So hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification. I'm going to be taking you on a whole new journey. Thank you for your time.